Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter verification code not received problem solved. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter verification code not received problem solved, you should just go to settings like this. Then in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter and you will enter. When you will see this page, you will go to click force stop. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.